children as well as adults. Bategese omukolo guno era nsanyuse nnyo okuba nti mwenna abaana leero muzze okutwegattako nga tujaguza Christmas party, Christmas ey'omwaka guno. Abamu ku mmwe mwali muzzeko Christmas parties endala ze tubadde nazo emyaka egiyise mu Lubiri. Yes? Yeah, I'm glad you remembered. And so this year now we're here, so we're very thankful again to Hospice Africa Uganda. So now, what's next? I think we're going to cut the cake and then we'll give out gifts. And I really want to wish all of you very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Billy-I-O, beat by Billy-I-O.